Okay, so we're gonna restart it, and once you click enter, you will see the animation. So right here, before it goes through the chatbot's greeting message with items, it will ask you first your temporary name. It's either you don't change it or not. But if you want to change the temporary name, just double click the name or until a borderline appears and it will enable to edit the text box. One hint, you will see a borderline indicating that it is enabled. So let me restart it for a bit to show you first. And once I double click it, you will actually see a borderline right here. Let's see if I'm gonna type my name first. I do wanna type it. And once you click that stop, and here it is. Here's the greeting message. First, I'm gonna show you the first demonstration right here, which is the if I go click undergraduate college, it it continuously shows you the answer like choose which college. So I'll be back, guys. So since it's gonna be a long conversation right here with our chatbot, so let's see. I click computer science, and once it reaches to the end of the conversation, it will show you the feedback. The first feedback is a question. That feedback question is, did that answer your question? It's gonna either be yes or no. First, I'm gonna click yes, and chatbot will respond a positive feedback. So another thing is another feedback question is that would you like to ask another question? If I click yes, it will the text box will be enabled right here. So as you can see, there's a type your message right here. So one thing is that once I type any characters, it pops up right here is the items that matches the characters I just typed, right? Let's see, I'm gonna type, um, let's say I click this one. Once I click this item, it auto generates the text and finishes it. And now I'll I will press enter or send or click the send button. So I'm gonna show you first that once you click enter right here and show this. Another demonstration for this. If I'm gonna click no, it'll show this another feedback right there. Sorry, we'll do our best to improve. So another thing that would you like to ask another question right here? But if I click no, what it does is that it goes straight back to the official site of DLSAU Araneta University. So now we're gonna retype it. Go back to the DLSAU BroBot right here. Click let's stop. So one more thing to I will show you the demo if you don't want to just click any of these questions. So what if I gonna click ask question directly and I'll show you this and once I'm gonna click is this stem right here, it showed this. Nice. And chatbot will have its answer right here. So direct to the point. Compared to the first five items earlier, ask question it functions about it wants to go straight to the point. So it goes to the first few. I'm gonna click yes, and I'll have to end it right here since I don't have any more questions. Here it is. It goes straight back to the official site of DLSAU Araneta University. Once it was done, you will evaluate our system that we created by answering the two provided form links. First, one for the system testing and one for the website usability survey. So for the first part is the system testing for DLSAU online BroBot web app form, which is right here. Here it is. Ignore this for but if you're gonna ask me, there are at least about 11 questions you need to answer right here. So once it was done, once you reach the finish line of this first part, you you will see the you will see the another link which leads to the second part, which is the website usability survey questionnaire for the LSAU online robot web app form. Once it was done, here it is. I will show you this one right here. Here is the website usability survey questionnaire for DLSAU online robot web app. So once you click it, and it's done already. So here's the thing. Pwede nyo muna i-test yung system before answering the form or while testing sinagutan nyo na yung habang or meaning like it's either you're gonna test the system before you answer the form or you can actually test it while answering the form. Then take note sa test case number 5, you need to refresh muna yung system para sa ask question option. Sa student form, ipakita ko right here, you need to log in using your MS account or your DLSAU mail. While for the parents form, which is right here, same naman rin sa mga questions na to, kahit anong email ang gamit mo like Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, at iba pa. So if you guys have any questions, just contact us through DLSAU mail. And thank you very much and God bless.